Isosport is the world's leading manufacturer of plastic materials for skis and snowboards. Grander Water Revitalization has been installed in its cooling system for a number of years.
We had
problems because the water quality varied widely and caused difficulties with the cooling of our machines because of calcification and excess growth of algae. The only way we could eliminate these problems was by adding chemicals or biocides to stabilize the water. Cooling has a very important function. Plastics have to be cooled, and the quality of the cooling makes a huge difference in the quality of the final product. If you heat a plastic article at home, for example, and don't cool it immediately, it changes shape. It becomes bent or deformed. And exactly the same thing happens to our products if they are not cooled properly.
Das heißt, dass irgendwo verbogen, verzogen werden, und genau dasselbe passiert auch bei unseren Produkten, wenn sie nicht optimal gekühlt werden.
Before we installed the Grander Revitalization system, the quality of our cooling water was sometimes very poor. I admit that I was very skeptical at the time. I thought it was more of an esoteric thing. But I soon had to admit that the quality of our cooling water was getting better and better after we started using this method. The water looks good enough to drink, and as I said before, algae and bacteria have almost disappeared. We have been monitoring the development of water quality for 1.5 years now, ever since we installed the revitalization system. Our experience is backed up by internal and external water analysis, which has confirmed the success of water revitalization. Und die geben mir eigentlich den Erfolg der Wasserbelegung recht.